Hey guys, in my last video I showed how to use the Hunt from Websites tool to crawl an authority website looking for expired domains. In this video I will expand on that to show you how you can limit crawling to a specific section of a website to improve the desirability of the returned domains. In this example we will crawl just the English version of Wikipedia to ensure a majority of the domains are targeted at an English speaking audience. For this guide we will be using 24 proxies set up as you see on the screen here, and we will be running with 100 threads. We want to crawl deeply into the site, so I will set the crawl levels at 10,000 to ensure DHG can crawl as deeply as possible. As we will use the example of crawling the English version of Wikipedia, we will enter the home page of the English language wiki page. This is just the subdomain EN. Now we will also want to set the must contains filter. For this I will enter in en.wikipedia.org, so this will ensure that DHG will only ever crawl the English section of the Wikipedia website. At this point we just need to start the job, and when prompted, if you want to allow off-site crawling, click no to make sure Domain Hunter Gatherer stays on the wanted section of the website you are crawling and doesn't move away from it. From here, Domain Hunter Gatherer will do the crawling, availability checking and stats retrieval for all the expired domains that it finds linked from the English section of the Wikipedia website. This simple tweak can be applied to most authority sites. As authority sites will often be large with very clear segmented sections, some of which may not be of interest, so using the must contain and the must not contain options can be useful to make sure you are getting just the best domains from the sites that you are crawling. Another example of this feature would be for crawling just the news section of the BBC website. See, every page relating to news on the BBC website is in the news folder, so you could add /news/ to the must contains input and bbc.co.uk/news as the start page to have DHG only crawl the news articles on that website. This video is part of a series of guides showing how to use Domain Hunter Gatherer. If you are looking to improve the expired domains you are finding and get the most out of Domain Hunter Gatherer, you can have a look through our DHG version 3 guides playlist. If there is a topic you don't see being discussed, you can drop us an email, support ticket or a comment below with a request for a new guide. Well, thanks for watching guys, I hope to hear from you soon.